I believe I'll explain this a little bit later. This is just the so my exhaust is already modified, so it's a lot easier when your exhaust is modified. It's straight pipe or H pipe, no muffler. So this is just a heat shield. You need to move both heat shields on both sides and break these tabs out. So the diffuser I have, and I believe most of the aftermarket diffusers, you don't even need those white tabs. So I end up breaking most of them anyway. But the I'll show it in some parts of the video as well. But I just wanted to speak on it now. You really don't need you do not need these white tabs. So I end up breaking most of these off. I couldn't only save like maybe 2 or 3. But like you'll see here, I'll break it off here in a second. But other than that, you can break these off. The things that come on the aftermarket, the tabs that come with the aftermarket, they're much better. You don't need to worry about. So much easier with the aftermarket. You just snap it on, and that's pretty much it. Alright, I was trying to say you don't have to put these tabs in. Look at this, you don't need to put the tabs in, they're not going to fit. These replace the tabs. Yeah, the tabs, those white tabs will not fit, so you do not need those anymore. All you do is put your screws in. Just like this, just put your screws in here. You should be all set.